All right, now we're opening up the new gearbox and unbagging it.
Just joshing. I'm spending this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a bad bitch in the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro.
O-rings, bolts, parts to install it.
Eating fettuccine at Vincenzo's. Me and my amigos got that free smoke on the West Coast. Yeah, I'm talking about pre-rolls. Dark hair bitch, and she look like she go.
You have bolts installed. So we did a fit test on the truck to make sure the new gearbox was going to line up like we wanted. It was exactly like the old one. We're good to go. Now that you've done that, next you'll take this piece of the gearbox, install it on your pump. Make sure you put the O-rings in. You'll have one O-ring in between the plate and the pump. You want to put some oil on it. You don't want to put a dry O-ring up against the seating surface. Just a little bit of oil on your finger and on the O-ring. So you'll want to use the bolts with the washers with the O-rings. They won't compress like brass. You want to put a little bit of Loctite on the end of your bolts as you put them into the pump. This particular kit's a size 6. Size 6 metric. Next up, we're putting the gear on the shaft. As you can see here, he's starting to thread it in. Once you get that on, you slide it on, and you tighten it. Then you tighten it down on the shaft with some pliers and your Allen wrench. Next, you install the large O-ring. Always fun. Remember to make sure to lubricate it beforehand. Will also help it stay in the tracks. Now you're going to install the screw and the washer in there. This little O-ring that comes with your kit is for your oil drain plug. Goes in there. When you're done, make sure to fill up to halfway on the sight glass. Normally there's a red dot in there, and here there's not. You'll see there's a red dot there. But anyway, make sure your sight glass is tight. And we use this oil. 90 weight's better, but this is what we can easily get.